Right, hi everyone, welcome back. Now, the big news today has been the COVID 19 vaccine. Um, Apparently, Pfizer say it is 90% effective, the vaccine that they've been developing. Now, off the back of this, the markets have exploded really today. We'll go through those in a minute. But from the way this article's being written and from the press release from Pfizer, they're obviously quite confident that this is going to really help. So it'd be interesting to see, what happens when some of the safety trials come out. I think safety data will be available at the end of November, and regulators will be looking to process it at record speed. And oh, that's interesting. The manufacturing of the vaccine is already underway. So if you remember back a couple of months ago, basically, the UK government had said we'll buy the vaccine regardless if it's dangerous or not. Basically, so they exonerated all the companies from any liability. So these companies will stand to make a lot of money. And yeah, the markets have reacted today. Now the FTSE, anyone who has been investing for a while knows the FTSE is just been trading sideways for a long time. As you can see, this is 5 years ago. 13th November 2015, we're at just over 6,000, and then today just over 6,000 again, and that's with this. It's up 4.82% today, so that's a really massive jump for the FTSE in the UK. Anyone who doesn't know, this is the top 100 stock market companies in the UK. Jump over and have a look at the S&P 500. That's up 2.6% just today. Bear in mind, I'm in the UK, so the market's only been open about 2 hours. But yeah, the markets are reacting very, very positively to this. And yeah, I'll just jump over and have a quick look at the VIX index. Now, we look at this every week, really. And as you can see, the trend over the past couple of days is definitely going down. There's massive confidence. And then obviously we see this related to the price of everything going up. But it's not all good news. I've found a few interesting articles. Job losses, major cuts since the start of the pandemic. Now, a lot of this is going to be because there's only so long these companies can sort of kick the can down the road, so to speak, with, reduced sales. And also, a lot of these big companies are going to take this opportunity to use, any sort of basically in a business, if you can get away with sort of using anything as an excuse really to get rid of people. So a lot of companies will be streamlining and trying to save a bit of money and bolster their cash reserves basically. So as we can see, these companies here, I mean, in Sainsbury's, 3,500 jobs. That's huge. That really is huge. No surprise really with like the restaurants and the banks and things like that. I mean, yeah, if you ever try and phone your bank, you'd realise it's impossible. So like Pret a Manger, Marston's. I mean, look at that, 2,500 jobs here. I mean, the pub industry in the UK is just being absolutely decimated, absolutely decimated. Manchester Airport, they're nearly 900 jobs. It's and obviously Cineworld. It's really sad for everybody who works there because it says many cuts will be likely temporary, but really, we need to understand how consumers now are going to start consuming their sort of films and things, and Disney Plus and stuff's come out, so people, yeah, are looking at other ways to consume their sort of films. I mean, Marks and Spencer, 7,000 jobs, that's huge. I did see their earnings actually the other day, and it's pretty scary for them. I think it was something like 60% down on some of their clothing sales, which, yeah, it's crazy. But basically, the flavour is it's not all good news. But, you know, it's as of today, everything's in the green, so people, you know, don't really care. But this will be coming down further down the road. But I thought this one was an interesting one. Obviously, Zoom shares have plunged as investors, basically shift the money out of it, take some profits, and bet that work from home boom could be over after the Pfizer COVID vaccine breakthrough. So this is on the flip side to the Pfizer vaccine announcement. So shares in Zoom collapsed 17% today. So it's had a really good bull run up though. So I don't see. I can just see people just taking profits really. Whether this sort of trend of working from home is going to change, I'm not too sure, but we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, we'll have a quick look at the portfolio now. As you can see, it's up 5% today. Done quite well today because obviously the news from Pfizer and stuff like that. We'll just have a look at the undervalued pie. We can see that's just under 10%. And if we go into here, J&J, nearly 5%. Diamondback Energy, 20%. I mean, I checked this on Friday, I think, and it was down 3%. This was actually down 3%, so that's been a 23% swing today. I mean, that's just crazy. Pfizer, no surprise there. After that news, up 11%. The growth pie, Tesla, up 7%. Intel, that's kicked on a bit today. I think it's gone up to about $47, something like that. So we're almost back in the green there. Apple there, 6%, and PayPal, we're still down there. But yeah, obviously Diamondback Energy, crazy one. So what was that today? 21.2% today. That's crackers. But that's just how it goes sometimes. Yeah, really, we'll go look at the biggest holding, which is, of course, Tesla. So we're up 8.3% there. They've jumped 2% today. I've been doing a bit of research on the Starlink SpaceX sort of company. I'm not sure we're going to be able to invest in that in the sort of short to near term future, really. I'm not 100% sure how that's going to work, but I'm going to do a lot more research into that and then I'll get back to what I've found. But yeah, portfolio's not looking too bad. Obviously, everything looked good when there's fantastic news coming out. But yeah, other than that, guys, I'll end the video there and I hope you're all doing well and stay tuned for more videos to come.